Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today I am speaking in English because I got many messages and comments on other platforms to make video in English. If you people like this, please comment below. Should I continue in English or should I continue in Hindi? Okay, next I hope you all understood what is the video is about by seeing the thumbnail. If you are visiting first time, do subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos, and don't forget to press bell notification button. Let's start the video. This is a spiral fruit cutter which gives a spiral shape to the fruits. This is very good looking shape and it tastes very yummy while eating. Very attractive to serve guests. Window screen, which is very essential for every home to prevent getting insects and mosquitoes inside the house. When it get damaged, it becomes very difficult to repair it. So here is the solution for your problem. Why don't you try this? Links in the description box. Magnetic window cleaner. This is very useful and helpful for the people those who live on the top floors of the building, and this becomes very easy for everyone to clean the windows both the sides at a time, and this is the very easy to use product. And everyone, please support to my channel, like, share and comment on this video. Please support to my channel so that my small YouTube family become big YouTube family, large YouTube family, huge YouTube family and giant YouTube family. So what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel and share my channel very fast. Hurry up. Insect proof draining system. This is very useful in every home because when we place this in any sink hole, it never allows any of the insect to go through that hole in and out. Why don't we try this? Multifunctional chopper. I have listed this item before also, but this is somewhat advanced technology and this is very helpful hand for every woman in every Indian kitchen, not only in Indian but anywhere. Expandable trolley bag, very helpful for everyone, especially for me. I go to buy single item but I buy more than 5-6. Anybody relate with me? Comment below. LED essence burner, which is very decorative piece in our home, as well as we get LED light in this product and essence burner which give very beautiful fragrance in every corner of the house. Links are in the description box. This is sweet and simple oil container, but it is very useful. I'll tell you why. It has automatic open and close lid on the cap and given informative measurements on the bottle which will never wipe out even after cleaning. And the main part is when we bend the bottle, the lid is open automatically, and when we take this bottle on the straight position, the lid is closed automatically, which allows the stopping wastage of the oil, which is very good for us.